3 years the sun has risen, 3 years I walked the sand. I learned the rhythm of the tides, the heart of this great land. But the whispers of the tuna are calling me again, across the long lost waters, beyond the current's pain. They call for more to fare to the island swallowed whole, to mend the fractured spirit, to reconnect the soul. No longer just a dreamer, but the one who knows the stars. I've traded in my wonder for the wisdom that is ours. I need a crew beside me, hands both brave and true, to face the disconnection that Nala brings anew. I am the Wayfinder's compass, steady in the flow. The map is in my memory, the direction I must know. I'm sailing through the chaos to find the hidden shore, to prove that our commitment is stronger than the roar. The ocean is the bridge, not the barrier they claim. We light the ancient fire, calling out the family name. La Tomoni and Kelly, a team I must rely on. Each piece of our collective strength is what we built this high on. The Kakamora are victims, not the enemies we faced. The curse of separation is something we must haste. I feel the responsibility heavier than before, to save not just my home, but all the distant waiting shore. My time he waits in shadow, Nalo controls the storm, but the greatest strength of all is keeping the spirit warm.